Welcome to this masterclass, Introduction to Your Gear Packages. In this class, we'll introduce you to the gear you'll be using to make your first films.
In this masterclass, we're going to have a chance to show you the tools that you'll use to make your videos happen. Specifically, we're going to show you the equipment and the software that you're going to be using.
We'll begin with the smartphone and stabilizer combo. These together allow you to film smooth images in your documentary in the field. Using a stabilizer allows you to make smooth images very much like a tripod would, but it's actually easier to use, and it actually replaces the traditional tripod in documentary filmmaking.
Next, we're going to look at the smartphone interview package, which includes a tripod, a small LED light, and a lavalier microphone, which will allow you to get better audio on your interview subject. This is a great setup, which allows for a very simple interview shoot. Then we're going to take a look at the more advanced DSLR camera package. This package allows you more control over your image. And it also allows you to change lens sizes, which is a key component in making your footage look even more professional. It's also a great option when filming interviews.
Well, we hope this intro has been helpful. Now let's look at what the gear actually looks like.
So I'm going to show you some of the gear that you can use to film your production. The first tool you're definitely going to recognize. It's the smartphone. So smartphones these days, the cameras on them are pretty good for shooting video. It's a great way to get started. And if you are going to use your smartphone, we recommend that you use some software to take more advantage of some of the functions of your camera. We recommend Filmic Pro. It's an app, but there are other apps that allow you to control the camera in your smartphone. Along with your smartphone, another tool that's great to use is a stabilizer. So the smartphone stabilizer is key for getting nice handheld footage that's not too shaky. If you want to get some B-roll and move the camera a bit, it's nice for doing that. It's also nice if you're going to be following someone. So it's a good tool to have in your kit. Now, if you want to film a bit more professionally, we recommend using a DSLR, which these days are quite inexpensive. This one here is a Canon 80D, but there are many DSLRs these days that are cost-effective that can allow you to get a more professional image. The main difference between a smartphone and a DSLR is that the DSLR, of course, allows you to use different lenses, which is going to improve the look of the image. A zoom lens, which allows us to get wide, medium, and tight shots. We also have a telephoto lens, which is great for interviews or getting, again, tight shots. And also a medium lens, which is sort of what the eye can naturally see. That's good for B-roll and interviews. Now, to go along with your camera, you're going to need extra batteries and also media to record your footage onto. In this case, the Canon takes SD cards, so you're going to have a few of these on hand. Now, for audio, we recommend that you have a shotgun mic to put on your camera. In this case, we have a Rode VideoMic Pro, which gives you a nice directional sound of the atmosphere that you're in. For your interviews, you're also going to have a lavalier microphone, which allows you to get better audio directly with your subject, not so much of the atmosphere. And of course, you're going to need some headphones to monitor the audio. And last but not least, you're going to need your tripod, which is essential for doing smooth camera moves and also for conducting interviews. So that's our gear.